Welcome to Mathotropism. Next we will be seeing about the operations, basically multiplication of rational numbers. So when multiplying rational numbers, we have to follow these steps. First we will simplify wherever possible, and when it cannot be further reduced, that means there is no more cancelling between the numerator and the denominator. We just need to multiply the numerator separately and denominator separately and write the answer as the total numerator divided by the total denominator. So for example, if I take 2 by 4 into 24 by 3, 2 by 4 can be first simplified as 1 by 2 and 25 by 3 as 8 by 1. Again we can simplify because in two tables we have a 8, so it can be rewritten as 1 by 1 into 4 by 1. Now just multiplying the numerators, 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 1 into 1 is 1, which can be written just like 4, and the sign here is positive, so plus 4 is the answer. Count the number of negative rational numbers in case we have negative numbers in the question. So if we get an odd number, put a minus sign before the answer, and if we get an even sign, put a plus sign before the answer. So for example, if we take 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 7, there is no further simplification as all the numbers are co-primes. So we will just multiply the numerators and we will get 2 into minus 5, which is equal to minus 10, divided by the denominators. So 3 into 7 is 21. So the answer is minus 10 by 21, since there is only one negative number in the question and an odd number implies that we have to put a minus sign in the answer. So it comes as minus 10 by 21. We'll consider another example where it is minus 2 by 25 into minus 5 by 8. Here we can simplify because in two tables we have an 8 and similarly we have 25 in the 5 tables. So we can simplify and write it as 1 by 5 into 1 by 4, and when we check the signs there are two negative signs, so the answer will become a positive because even number of negatives gives a positive sign in the answer. So it becomes 1 into 1 is 1 in the numerator and 5 into 4 is 20. So plus 1 by 20. Next, going to division of rational numbers. Here again we will follow some simple steps. The first will be that we will be finding the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply it with the dividend. What do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal is nothing but given a rational number, the reciprocal will be the numerator becoming the denominator and the denominator becoming the numerator. So for example, if 2 by 3 was given, then the reciprocal will be 3 by 2. So here let us take an example of 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 9. So what do you mean by reciprocal of the divisor? Which is the divisor here? Here the divisor is minus 4 by 9 and the dividend is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will remain the same and the division symbol will become into multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So it becomes into of 9 by minus 4. Next, proceed in the same way as for multiplication. So we will be checking whether there is any simplification possible between the numbers. We can see that 4 comes in 2 table, 9 comes in 3 tables. So I simplify it and write it as 1 by 1 into 3 by minus 2. And again, if we check the signs, there is only one sign in the denominator and that is a negative sign. So if the numerator and denominator are of the same sign, then put a plus sign before the answer. Here the numerator is a plus and the denominator is a minus. So if the numerator and denominator of the opposite sign, then put a minus sign before the answer. So this comes as minus, numerator is 3 and denominator is 1 into 2, which is 2. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Thank you.